landed in Feelgood Fields, just in time for...
Ta-da! Hiya, Jamie! Salutations, Max fans!
Aha! It's the big boingy boing! The day everybody does their boingiest boing, like this. Are you ready to boing? On 2 feet. On 1 foot. And the other foot. And side to side. Boing, 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 boing. Whoa! Check you out! Some brilliant boinging.
Oh, great to see you, Jamie. And it's amazing to see you too.
Hey, Sonny. Are you excited about the big boingy boing?
No, I'm not excited. I'm very excited. In fact, I need to warm up because this year I want to do my boingiest boing ever. Will you help me?
Of course we will, won't we? We know just the move. Bunny hops. Oh, look. Bunny hops pose is our first glow move. Let's go, go, glow. Coming down to crouch, hands flat, arms straight. We lift up our hips and do 3 little bounces to hop in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. And again. 1, 2, 3. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Whoa, Sonny!
I'm okay.
Whoopsie. Maybe we did a few too many boings. We need to get Sonny back down. Maybe we can bounce up to reach her, just like Sonny did. Time to deploy the frog leaps. Oh, look! Frog leaps pose is glow move number 2. Ready? Here we glow again. Coming down to crouch, knees wide. We use our froggy fingers for balance. Now, after 3, we leap in the air like a frog, going ribbit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ribbit. Fabulous frogs, everyone. But we didn't manage to leap as high as the cloud. Up we come to stand. However, will we get Sonny back down?
Ah! I'll help! I'll catch the cloud with my fishing rod!
Great idea, Max. Are you ready to do some cloud fishing too? Standing with our feet nice and wide, we turn to the side and bend our front knee. Now we stretch our arms forward to hold our fishing rod. We wiggle and jiggle as we catch something. Now we sweep it all the way up in the air, whoosh, to fish it out. Have we caught the cloud?
Nope, just a watering can.
I'm up here in a cloud,
That's okay. Let's try it on the other side. Turning to face the other way. Reaching those arms forward again to cast our fishing rod. Wiggling and jiggling. Then whoosh! Let's see what we caught.
Oh, it's guitar.
I'm a tiger, tiger.
Never mind. Thanks for your help, Max. We haven't got Sonny back yet, but it was fun fishing.
Maybe I've got a bigger fishing rod. I'll go and look. Cheerio, Jamie. Toodle pip, Max fans.
Oh, no! Look! The cloud has gone. Oh, where is it? Oh, let's use our cosmonoculars. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Now. Oh, yes! We found it! There it is! Well done, everyone. Excellent cloud spotting. But it's even higher in the sky now, so we need to get somewhere super high up so we can reach it. Taking our feet wide, arms wide, we reach our arms all the way up, making our pointy rocket noses. Now we get ready to launch, counting down from 5 to blast off. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And whoosh! Off we go! Whoosh! 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 Ah, rocketing rockets, everyone. Now, where's that cloud? There it is. Can we reach it? Let's try our shooting star pose. Standing with our feet wide, arms wide in our star pose, we lift and tilt one way, ooh, and then we lift and tilt the other way. Ooh. Ah, but we still can't reach it. How are we going to get Sunny off the cloud and back to Feelgood Fields? Any ideas? Did you see that? The wind blew the cloud away. Oh, it's given me an idea. We could blow the cloud all the way back down to Feelgood Fields. Are you ready? We're going to have to blow as hard as we can. Maybe our hot air balloon pose will do the trick. Cupping our hands around our mouth, we take a big deep breath in through our nose. Now we blow.
Hi, Jamie!
That's it! It's working! Yeah. Oh, it's still not enough. We're going to need even more wind power. Standing with our feet wide, arms wide, we sweep our hand down to our opposite foot and reach our other arm up to the sky. Now we swap sides and swish the other way. Swoosh! Let's keep swishing and swooshing. Swoosh, swish, swoosh, swish, swoosh, swish. Oh, that's it. It's working. The wind power is blowing the cloud back down. But now we need to get back to Feelgood Fields. Let's take the helicopter. Feet together, turning to the side, bending our knees, arms wide. We get ready for takeoff, jumping our feet wide, and we spin our propellers side to side, saying, chopper, 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 chopper.
Thanks so much for blowing me back down, Jamie. And you're the best windmills in the world.
No probs, Sonny. Are you ready for your big boingy boing?
I think I'm gonna stick to little boingy boings from now on.
Yeah, we think little boingy boings feel good too, don't we? Boing, 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 boing.
I might need some help getting down.
Come in, Max. Don't worry, Jamie. After all that's happened today, I know how to take care of this.
Meanwhile, it's time for us to go home. Thanks for all your help today. You were amazing. Bye, Sonny. Bye, Max.
Bye.
Goodbye. We wave goodbye and head for home. The Wunzies helped us all to feel the glow. It's there inside of you and me. We found the rings. 1, 2, 3. We did it, we've all found our glow. We wiggled and jiggled and went with the flow. Breathe deep, we're taking it home. Together we all share the glow. Breathe deep. How do you feel now? Can you feel the glow inside you? I know I can. That feeling is ours to keep. We had a great adventure today too, didn't we? We know Sunny's a cool cat, But even getting stuck in a cloud didn't seem to worry her. She knew her friends were there to help. Now let's come down to sit with our legs crossed and try our lovely tick-tock like a clock rhyme. See if we can find our centre. Arms by our side and we rock. Tick-tock like a clock until I find my centre. Did you find it? Oh, let's try it again. Tick-tock like a clock until I find my centre. There. Well done. We did it. Now we close our eyes and take a big, deep breath. Opening our eyes. Time to go. Now we always finish in the same way, by bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our special yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.